The famous Indian car manufacturer Tata Motors has confirmed to bring the CNG versions of their popular SUV Nexon next year. Nexon is already a popular SUV among the Indian buyers for the design, features and safety. With the increasing demand of CNG vehicles, the car manufacturers are planning to expand their CNG products, and the Tata Motors is not the exceptional. The Nexon CNG will be a B2 segment compact SUV. Meanwhile, the TATA Nexon CNG has been recently spotted testing on the Indian road with the emission equipments, which confirms its arrival in the local market soon. The CNG versions of TATA Nexon will be available in 4 variants: XE, XM, XT and XZ Plus. Tata has a plan to bring this CNG-powered Nexon on January 2023 at the expected price range between 7.50 to 11 lakhs ex-showroom. After launch, it will be the rival of the upcoming Kia Sonet CNG and Maruti Brezza CNG. In terms of power, the new CNG versions of Nexon will get the existing 1199cc 1.2-litre Reverton turbocharged petrol engine paired to a factory-fitted CNG kit, but there will be a marginal drop in power and torque output. While the regular petrol versions can produce 120 bhp of maximum power and 170 Nm of peak torque, the CNG-powered Nexon will produce at least 15 bhp less power. The CNG variant will offer a 6-speed manual transmission. It is needless to say that the CNG-powered Nexon will be a highly fuel-efficient SUV. It will offer the fuel efficiency of 20 km per kg. After launch in the Indian market, the CNG-powered Nexon will be the first car to get a turbo petrol CNG options. In terms of design, the new CNG-powered Nexon will be same in look as the existing model except the CNG badging. The projected headlights with LED DRLs, piano black front grille, fog lights housing, front and rear skid plates, aerodynamic shape, body side plastic cladding, piano black ORVMs, crystal cut alloy wheels, signature LED tail lights, rear wiper defogger, shark fin antenna, rear fog lights and reflectors, etc. will be carried forward. There will be no change in the interior also. It will continue the same airy cabin, power adjustable 3-spoke steering wheel with steering mounted audio controls, fully digital instrument cluster, the touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, IRA connected features with Bluetooth navigation system, multiple driving modes, smartphone connectivity, USB port, premium sound system, cooled glove box, automatic climate control with rear AC vents, air purifier, remote trunk opener, electronically adjustable single pane sunroof, premium upholstery. With the factory-fitted CNG kit, the Nexon CNG will have a small boot space. In terms of safety, the Nexon has already proved itself as one of the safest SUVs in the Indian market, as it received 5-star rating in the global NCAP crash test. It will be equipped with a number of standard safety features including ABS with EBD, brake disc wiping, dual front airbags, seat belt reminder, front seat belts with pre-tensioner and load limiter, electronic stability control, wheel hold control, electronic brake prefill, auto dimming IRVMs, ISOPIC child seat anchorage, and rear parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Thank you.